Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to on guys personal hotspot in our Tecno phone guys, and guys how can you use it in your Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I am going to tell you guys if you new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys now time to start video. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on your personal hotspot, and guys how can you use. So you can see guys your hotspot setting. So guys tap here, Wi-Fi hotspot, tap here. So as you can press on hotspot on and off from here. So when you will on guys, you can see this share hotspot setting. So you want to share guys your hotspot, so you can share from here guys. Next phone guys, another phone guys, you will have to scan this QR code, then guys you can share your hotspot. And guys when you will off guys, you can see your share option will remove. And guys one time data limit guys, you can set from here in your Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on personal hotspot, and guys how to off, and guys how can we use, how can we share our hotspot in a Tecno phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.